In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a very affordable smartwatch by a company called AMAZTIM, and this is the Tank 2. And check this thing out. I have been wearing it. I have it on my wrist right now. I have the box here, and I just want to show y'all kind of what you get with this thing when you order one of these. This has been one of the most affordable kind of smartwatches for the features that I've been able to find. And it has a, you know, their own little proprietary charger. It's kind of like another watch that just kind of sits on there. It's magnetic. It locks into place. You look under this thing, check out all this. You get some wipes. Inside of here is a screen protector. I did not put the screen protector on. I don't think I need it because it has pretty tough glass on the front. And this is kind of like the same thing, a little guide sticker for sticking that screen protector on there. And that's pretty much everything that's in this box here. And just going over the instructions here, there is so much to this watch, probably not enough that I can cover in this video, but I will show you on my wrist and kind of show you some of the features that this thing has. Actually, let me take it off and I could show you it sitting in front of me. Number one, this lasts at least a month with no charging. That is absolutely phenomenal. And to use, when you swipe over to the right, you can see right there I got daily activities, call, heart rate, blood oxygen, workout, blood pressure, sleep, weather, music, messaging. This does match up Bluetooth with your iPhone or Android. Breathing exercises, alarm clock, voice assistance, SOS, toolbox, and the settings. You go into the settings, you can change the watch faces. You can have it on an always on feature, which shortens the battery life, so I don't have it. To me, that one right there is my most favorite one. I really like that one a lot. And then you got date, time, sports, info, and then you go over here. When you hit the bottom button, it lets you know if you're going to be running, cycling, swimming, badminton. This has all the sports locked in there. Too many for me to name anyway. You're going to have to download the app called AMAZTIM app, and this app is pretty good as far as like going over the watch faces. You can see how I can go in there, and let's say I want to do more of a sports watch face. Check it out. It downloads and then it starts synchronizing. So each one of these, you can see it synchronizing. It's downloading the watch face, and watch what it does all in real time right here. I'm going to show y'all how to integrate with the app onto the watch. Boom, there it is. Check it out. Whole new face like going on now. And then you can go through the different ones there, and you can make a custom one. If you want to use a picture, you could use your own picture if you wanted to on there. Then you got the heart rate, you got the SOS messaging, you got the SMS, so this will, like when you get a text message and all that, and then you have it where it lights up. When you move it around, it can light up. So if you want it to lift and open right there, a lot of features. This thing was very impressive. I have been so impressed with this watch. I do have a Garmin that I've also used, and I have a Apple Watch that I've used. For the price, this Tank 2 is the most affordable smartwatch with all of the best features of any type of smartwatch out there. You can get messaging on it, you can take phone calls, but it will let you answer a call and refuse a call or send. Highly recommend this, and it feels indestructible, and it looks very premium on your wrist. I've seen other watches go 4 times the cost of this thing. Yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the AMAZTIM Tank 2. See you guys in the next video. Woo!